Quality manufacturing, fabricated from high-quality German stainless steel. Handle length, 4.72 inch. Product assembled in Spain. Blade sourced from Germany. Very durable, fully forged construction offers durability and a seamless transition from blade to handle. Precise cutting, professional, satin finished blade boasts precision cutting and is finely honed for long-lasting sharpness. Balanced blade, ergonomic, traditional triple-rivet handle gives balance and comfort. Multi-purpose knife, large-sized 8-inch multi-purpose chef's knife for chopping, mincing, slicing and dicing. Protective bolster, full bolster provides weight and ensures safety. Experience confidence with each cut. The Henckels International CLASSIC 8 chef's knife boasts a precision, fine-edge blade that is honed for long-lasting sharpness. Chop potatoes, dice apples, mince shallots and slice salmon effortlessly. This kitchen workhorse is up for almost any task. High-quality German stainless steel strengthens this durable, Spanish-made knife. With a seamless transition from blade to handle, the knife's fully forged construction provides balance as the traditional triple-rivet handle encourages tireless cutting. Henckels International makes essential kitchen tools every home chef needs. From steak knives to spatulas, every product boasts high quality at an exceptional value. Created in 1895 by Zwilling J.A. Henckels, this value-driven brand guarantees the same durability, design and ease of use for which the global is known. Equip your kitchen with expertise with Henckels International. A good chef's knife becomes your daily kitchen companion. It's used for everything from prepping steaks for the grill to finely mincing onions, and chances are you'll reach for it every time you cook, so it better be good. This lower price line from Henckels is a great value, excellent quality knives with their standard lifetime warranty. There's good balance, and the handles are a shade heavier than other lines, which some cooks will prefer. The 8-inch blade length is the most practical for multi-purpose use, and regular sharpening will keep the stainless steel blade razor sharp. It's only minimally flexible, which makes it a great choice for vegetables such as potatoes and turnips. While it's dishwasher safe, unless it needs sanitizing after use with raw meat, it's often easier to hand wash. Top reviews from the United States. 6 years and still my favorite knife. This was my first real chef's knife. Before that I only used cheap knives that I never really took care of. But when I really started to get into cooking, I got myself this knife and it has proved to be an incredibly versatile tool. It's sharp, sharpens well, is very well balanced, has no issues being washed in the dishwasher, chops anything and everything and just gets the work done in addition to being very affordable. Would totally buy again.